Hello, grade fours, and welcome back. I want you to follow along with the slides, practicing each word or word part, just like we would in class. Okay, let's begin. Let's start with group one's words. Now remember, I'm going to put the cursor or mouse doodad underneath the word, and I want you to say it after you see my signal. Okay, now make sure you're listening with your listening ears for the right pronunciation and see if you got it right too. Okay, let's begin. Plastic. Explain. Mitten. Coffee. Bunny. Symbol. Good. Let's move on to group two. Basic. Return. Tiny. Over. Tulip. Last word. Hyphen. Good work, grade fours. Okay, let's move on to our word decoding rules. Let's say this all together, please. Put on your vocal cords, warm them up. Me, 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 me. Are they warmed up? Good. All right. To decode an unfamiliar word, always follow these steps. Number 1, first identify any word parts. Number 2, then divide between consonants. Number 3, next try long vowels. And number 4, if necessary, try those short vowel sounds too. Good work, grade fours. Now let's work on our word parts, okay? So I am going to put my cursor or mouse doodad underneath each word part, and as you see the signal, I want you to say the sound of those word parts, okay? Let's begin. Uct. Para. Tude. Shus. Graph. Multi. Sure. Shun. Ain. Ear. Chewel. Last word. Shus. Good work, grade fours. Let's move on to those words. Now remember, we are going to sound out each word part, say what the word is, and then I want you to use your brains and think, what does that word mean? What's the definition of that word? And how can I use that in a sentence, okay? I want you to share these sentences with your families, okay? All right, pull up the sleeves and get ready. Para. Shoot. And the word is parachute. Okay, grade fours. What does parachute mean? What's the definition of parachute? So I want you to think of that on your own. And I want you to come up with a sentence using the word parachute. Okay? Let's see the next word. We do a lot of this in math, grade fours. Or we will. All together. Mull. Ply. And the word is multiply. Grade fours, we're going to learn how to multiply soon. Pretty scary. All right, I want you to think. What does multiply mean? And use it in a sentence and share with your families, okay? Don't forget, grade fours, to also finish the spelling activity that goes along with this lesson, okay? I hope you have a fabulous day. Goodbye, grade fours.